Yeah. Hey, this is Cayman with S&B. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your lower map sensor spacer on your L5P Duramax. So this is the lower sensor, this is the upper sensor. This one already has the S&B spacer. Innovators and came up with the idea to move the map sensor spacer outside of the manifold to keep the soot off the sensor. They added this lower sensor, and to replace the sensor, just take that red lock and slide it back just like that. To press the button, slide it off. Then with a 10 mil, remove the bolt. And the sensor will come out. So you can see this sensor has soot on it already. It's a new truck. Is we're going to install the sensor into the S&B spacer. So you can use the existing bolt. This is the OEM bolt. Get that secured down. Put the O-ring into the S&B spacer, just like that. Then with the S&B bolt, everything just gets reinstalled. Make sure you put a dab of Loctite on the bolt. And so rather than just reconnecting the sensor here, it would eventually tear these wires. We have an extension. So install the extension, press the lock, install the other end into the sensor, press the lock, and now we'll zip tie this bundle. The excess. And that's the install of the lower S&B map sensor spacer on an L5P Duramax.